What up, YouTube? Baseball 801 here, doing a box of SP Authentic '09 on blog. Me and Ban again here on blog, wanting to try out the new stuff. I know we got Tabata and Allen in here. It's gonna be pretty good. Let's see if I can. There they are, fellas. There they are. Put them right here. Not a bad rookie card to get. Got a rookie card of Ryan Perry. Ryan Perry rookie. Alan, here's some pretty nice thick decoys, but they got like a cardboard edge on them. Let me know if you're interested. Fuck these packs. These are super thick. Jonathan Neese rookie card. Jonathan Neese rookie. Here is I don't even know what to call this. This is a refractor. Ryan Ludwig out of 59. Numbered right there on the edge there. Out of 59. There's a Dice K anniversary card. After this, Alan, I gotta talk to you about a card that I got last night. So, well, there's a Veritech base. Faces of the Game, Felix Hernandez. Insert. Well, here's a short print Faces of the Game. Looks like Faces of the Game gold out of 299 Dice K. God dang it, every box I get is Red Sox. Cole Hamels anniversary. Gold parallel numbered to 299 of Pudge Rodriguez. This has him on the Stros. And a Pittsburgh Steelers anniversary card. Moving stuff around here. Faces of the Game, Ryan Howard. Ryan Howard. Alan will love this card, I am sure of it. Pennant Run Heroes, Kevin Youkilis. It's a nice card. I like that card design. Really like that card design. And a Dustin Pedroia anniversary. Wow, an all base pack. I thought we've gotten at least an insert in each one. Oh, there's a nice one. Platinum Power die cut of Carlos Pena. Die cut at the top. There's no autos yet, man. Evgeny Malkin anniversary. Evan Longoria base. This is honestly one of the hardest packs to open I've ever tried to. All base. Yeah, waiting on all three. Here's another Platinum Power die cut. David Wright. What up, Beantown? Platinum Power has remnants of the 98 Pinnacle, as it has stats along the side there. Look at that, RBIs, home runs, and average. I'm sure people will absolutely enjoy that card. The Carolina Hurricanes anniversary card. Well, we got Matt Holliday on the Cardinals. That's cool. Brad Bergenson, rookie for the O's. Why did I put him over there? Faces of the game, Chipper Jones. Got a pretty nice stack of decoys going here. Josh Beckett, Francisco Rodriguez, all base. I like the look of the card. Just not liking the fucking search here. Future Watch Flashbacks. This is a nice card. Wow. Pudge Rodriguez out of 495. It has like, it's him in the Rangers uniform, and it's like his rookie year picture. Pretty nice. Kobe. I wonder if they have a Bagwell that looks like that. Oh. Matt Holliday Gold out of 299. Oh, other way around there. Chris Paul anniversary. Hanley Ramirez out of 299. Gold. Tiger Woods anniversary. I'm getting PMs. I'm not touching your guys' PMs at all while I'm breaking this. Just letting you know now, so that way you guys leave me the hell alone. Let me enjoy my cards. Nothing. Julio Bourbon, rookie card. I am dying here, guys. I'm absolutely dying. We got 4 packs left. Faces of the game, Josh Beckett. Cub Vic, man, what is up? I didn't even see you come in the room. Hey, first autograph, Future Watch, Jason Mott, pitcher for the Cardinals. It's a good one. With that is a Miami Heat anniversary card. Guys, I gotta stop the recording for these last 2 packs. They're guaranteed patches, so